Hey, top of the morning to you guys. A couple of weeks ago, I did a video about affiliate marketing. It was a bid or buy affiliate program, and it was well received amongst many of you. And I was talking through email with many of you, and you wanted to hear more from me about these affiliate programs. So I have literally recorded a batch of videos that I will upload on this YouTube channel over the next 5 days. So I'll upload one video per day every morning for the next 5 days. So do subscribe to make sure that you will be notified every time I post a video. Today we'll be talking about the Zando affiliate program. We'll talk a little bit about the program and talk about who's eligible or how to become eligible for the product and how to join. I'll give you some examples and discuss the payment structure. It's going to be a very brief video. A couple of years ago, Zando put together this program, and it's being used by many different, many big companies, such as All for Women, as I will show you later on in this video. So here's how the affiliate program works. If you are a YouTuber, a blogger, or you are an Instagram influencer, you can be able to join this affiliate program and you can benefit from it. So here's how it works. If you are a YouTuber and you are into fashion, it's important that you are into fashion because they sell clothes. So if you do a get ready with me video or a get the look video, a lookbook or whatever it is, so you do that video or write a blog about clothes that you bought on Zando online. An example of this would be you showing how to put together a certain look. So for example, this girl on the left, you just show how to put together a look like this and demonstrate for people. So some sort of a review of this jacket and this t-shirt, if that's a t-shirt, and the jeans. You demonstrate or you do whatever you do on your video when you do the get the look or get ready with me videos. But on the description of your video, you then put the links where people can buy these products. But this time it will be your affiliate links so that you will be paid a commission once they use those links to buy those products. So how much do they actually pay in commissions? I'll tell you a bit later about that. But firstly, I want to talk about who's eligible. Like I said, if you are a blogger, you are eligible to apply for this. And if you are a YouTuber, you are also eligible. Anyone who has an influence or anyone who has a following, like Instagram influencers, can also apply for this program. So now I want to show you some examples of how to use the program. So if you are a blogger, this is how it would look on your blog. So this is an example of your blog. This would be an article that you have written on your blog. And then once you have become an affiliate, you obviously have to apply through Admirula. Admirula is a big ad agency here in South Africa that works with many affiliate partners. So they do affiliate program management for many big brands. And you can become part of their ad agency. And once you become part of their agency, you can actually advertise or you can recommend any of the products or any of the companies that they work with, any of the brands that they work with, as long as it's something that you are interested in and something that you actually blog about. So if you blog about fashion, this is a good one for you. This one is called display banner. This is one of their advertising options. This is a display banner. So you have an option of having a display banner on top of your article on the blog. So this is an article that you have written starting from here and it ends here next to this image. So at the top you have a banner between the paragraphs. You have another one and you have a side banner here and you have another one on the sidebar. So all of these they contain links that if someone clicks on it, it will redirect them to the Zando website. For example, if they are interested in this dress, you can just click on it and then it will redirect them to their website and where they will buy. And Zando has a way of tracking the links, so that's a unique link to you. They don't have to buy right away. They have a very good cache and cookie system that they use. So if someone clicks on your link right now, it will remain on their browser for the next 30 days. So even if they don't buy right away, and then 7 days later they decide they want to buy a product, any product, that person would have been referred by you to the website, so you will be compensated for that. Another option that they have is the text links. It does exactly what it says. You add a link to the text. So you could use this if you have a YouTube channel, just to post the links on the description box. Let's say you were doing a get ready with me and you do your makeups and you show them get the look, or a lookbook. I don't really know what you guys call this, but you were demonstrating how to put together this outfit that Kendall Jenner once wore, apparently, I guess. So what would happen is, this is something similar, I guess. It's not exactly what Kendall Jenner wore, but we show them where to get it. So you buy these items and you demonstrate them for your audience, and then in the description box you put the links where they can get exactly this top, where they can get this skirt, the boot, and the rest of these items. And this is how it would look. You could use also this system as it is on your blog if you have a blog, and this is how it will look also if you have like written something like an article. So it would have something like this, a picture like this, even though there's no text, but once they click on that picture it will redirect them and it goes straight to the Zando.com.coza website. This is another example of product views. So at the end of your blogs you'd have something like this where they can also read, they can click on the pictures here, but also they can click on the text itself. Now let's move on to the third option that they have, which is the use of coupons. So the use of coupons as as something to entice your audience. I'm sure you've seen or heard some influencers saying if you are interested in if you use their link to buy a product, you will be given a certain percentage off. This is something similar. If you use their link here, you will get 25% off. So if it's a YouTube channel, a YouTube video that you are making, you just post the link to this offer. Once they use that link, they will get a 25% off, and you get compensated for that. Or if you have a blog, obviously, they will go ahead and click on that link. All you have to do is just have to convince the reader if it's a blog, or convince the viewer if it's a video to use your link when they want to get the item that you'll be reviewing. The last one is case studies. Like I said, I would show you this one. So the last one is case studies. Like I said that I would show you this one. This is one that most online magazines use, like All for Women here. So they write a lot of articles, or they do case studies, and then in between, just like this, you'll see an advert. Once you click on it, it takes you to Zando, and you see all these product pictures. Again, once you click on this, they take you there, and these sidebar images. They are all affiliates links. So what is their pay structure? They have it here. So you get 5% commission on every sale that you generate. I mean, it's not one of the high-paying commissions, or it's not one of the highest-paying affiliate programs. But if you are into fashion anyway, and we're going to write a blog about a certain look or a certain piece of clothing, or you are going to shoot a video about a certain kind of look, you might as well apply for this program so that you get something from referring people to buy. Because at the end of the day, if you do buy these clothes just to demonstrate or review the look for people, at the end of the day, they will go buy, they were referred by you. If you're not an affiliate, you are just doing it, just for fun, that's also fine, but you might as well get paid while doing it. And one of the extra benefits for doing this, you get an 8 rands per newsletter sign up. So what you have to do for this one, you have to convince your reader or your buyer, you have to convince your reader or your viewer to sign up for the newsletter so that you can get that 8 Rand for everyone who does sign up for that. Also, once you redirect them once you recommend a product and then they click on your link and they go to that product page, and while they are there, they decide they want to sign up for the product, it still counts as your referral. They want to sign up for the newsletter, it still counts as your referral. So how do you sign up for this? You sign up through Admirula. I will leave the link to them in the description box. I'm not affiliated with them because I'm not into fashion. I don't do fashion videos or fashion blogs. I only talk about personal finance. So that's it for this video. Like I said, it was going to be a very short video. Tomorrow I have another one in the morning as well, and throughout this week I have one video every day for the next 5 days. They're all talking about affiliate marketing. I have a video tomorrow that talks about getting paid 200 rands for every referral, every successful referral. So stay tuned for that one. Subscribe to this channel to make sure you do not miss that. Until next time, adios. In this video, we spoke about how to do affiliate marketing for beginners in South Africa, how to do affiliate marketing